Okay. Right. So what we are learning today is how to convert a video into a reel and post it on social media platforms. Okay. Effectively, we are learning about Instagram reels, right? So for that, first we need to find out a video. एक गुरुदेव का वीडियो सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. We'll have to select a video of Gurudev which we want to convert into an Instagram reel. Okay. So let's go to YouTube first. Right. So step one is go to YouTube and just search for your topic. You can search for topics which are likely to get more attention and more views. So Sri Avishankar on death, on life, on relationship, on money. Usually these are the topics which gains more attention. Right. So just choose anyone. Say I choose Sri Avishankar on marriage. Right. So here there is a video of Gurudev. Why has marriage become so challenging? I'm just
எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச ஒரு
right. So when I've got this video, when I'm done with choosing the video, step two is copying the URL of that video. This is the URL, I copy it, right? Step three, you go to Google and you type download YouTube video online free. And you'll get this one, save from net. Just click on it, just paste your link here and say download. Okay. Now it will give you the option to download that video. Right? Just click on download, right? And it has downloaded here, right? Now step four. Step four, what we'll do is, since I'm working on laptop and we'll be using InShot app. InShot app is on my mobile. So I'll have to transfer this downloaded video from my laptop to my mobile. So what I do is I use WhatsApp for that. So I just open my WhatsApp. Just go to my WhatsApp. Okay. And on my chat, I just send the same video which has been downloaded. Like to search for it. Here it is. Why has marriage become so challenging? Okay. And I send it to myself. Okay. So if you get an option, always choose the HD option while sending it to yourself. Otherwise, the quality will be compressed. Right. So this was step four. Okay. Now, once I receive this on my mobile, I'll go to step five. For step five, I'll be sharing my screen from my mobile phone now. Okay, so let me first download from WhatsApp to my phone gallery. Okay, right. Now let me share my screen from my phone. Okay. So what I did was I went to my WhatsApp. I downloaded this video
We have become too
on my phone gallery. Now step six, I go to the InShot app. This is the InShot app. INSHOT. Okay. Now this is the home page of InShot app. This is how it looks like. So since we are dealing with video, I'll tap on video. And I'll say new because it's a new video that I'm talking about. Now I'll choose that video which I've just downloaded. Usually is the first one. Okay, so I'll just choose this one. And I'll tap on tick mark, the green tick mark that you see at the bottom right. I'll tap on that. Now, what InShot app has done now is it has loaded the downloaded video on its app. Okay, here is the whole video down. So now we have the video ready. Okay, we have the audio of the video also there in this. What we have to do is we have to generate captions now. That's the only thing. Okay, so to generate caption, there is a T text icon that you can see at the bottom. I'll just tap on the T and then it will give me an option of captions. So I'll just tap on captions and I'll say start. So once I tap on all these buttons, what happens is this app automatically generates caption for this video. You have to do nothing. It automatically also places the text at the right places. Wherever Gurudev has spoken the words, it places the text at that very places, right? So I'll just play the video or some portion of the video so that we'll get to know that the text is properly placed or not. All right.
We have become too self centered. We care less for others.
Now here what we are seeing is the text is not visible, right? So what we'll do is we'll just tap on the green part, which is the text, and we'll tap on the edit icon, which is right above it. And here we will tap on the color circle. So once we tap on the color circle, usually here we should always switch off the shadow portion. The shadow beneath the shadow, you'll see a dot. That means the shadow is on. So we'll always switch it off. Now we'll go to label. Label means a covering for the text. So let's say I choose a color for the label. Now you can see the text is properly visible because a cover has been chosen. So the cover also has different sizes. You can choose your size, which size you want. I usually go with this one or this one. Once you've chosen the label, you just ensure the text color is also correct. And then you tap on the tick mark at the right side. And now we'll play the video.
We have become too self centered. We care less for others. We care for only ourselves. And we want to get what we can out of marriage instead of seeing it as a sacred institution where you have to contribute rather than grab your own pleasure. So people fall in love, they see, they appreciate their good qualities. But how long does it stay? A little while.
So as you see, the entire text has been auto-generated by this app. You had to do absolutely nothing. And this app is really good. 99.99% the text that is generated is correct. Only 0.01% you might have to make some changes here and there because the audio might not be that great in all videos. That's the only reason. So once this is done, you also need a title for this video, right? So again, you tap on the text icon, the T plus icon that you see. And here you can type the title. So you can say challenges in marriage. And you tap on the tick mark. So here the title is also ready. Now you just pinch the title inside so that it becomes a little shorter and you can place it wherever you want. Right? So now the title has come, but if you look at the bottom, the uh, light green color at the bottom, you'll see that though the video is long, but the title is only till about 3 seconds. Can you see this? So what we'll do is we'll drag the title right till the end. So I'll just keep it dragging till the end so that the title remains from the start till the end of the video. Just keep dragging it. Okay, here the video ends, so I'll just drag it till here. Right? Now what will happen is the title will remain in the reel throughout the start till the end. Right? Simple. Okay. Next, what we can use is I also use background at times. Okay. So background option you will only get when you tap on the video at the bottom. So right now the title is selected. I'll select the video. So I'll just tap on the video. I'll just do tick mark. And here I'm at the video. Now at the bottom left, you will see something called as canvas. Canvas means the background. I'll just go there. Okay. And here you will see ratio, zoom, background. Usually I keep the ratio as it is 9:16. And I go to background. Now in background, either you can upload your own image, whatever image you want to upload, or you can just remove the background image, right? Or you can have blur option or the same image, or as I said, your own image. For example, I choose this one, right? So we can upload our own image, we can remove the image, we can keep it black, we can blur it. Everything can happen here in the background, right? So for canvas, I only use it for this purpose, for the background. Okay, to upload your own image, you might have to be a little pro in Canva and stuff. So it's better you don't keep anything or you keep it blur. That's the best thing to do. Once you're done with the canvas background, you just do tick mark and your video is ready. Okay. Now with trial and error, you will get to know that where to place the captions and where to place the title. Because the Instagram place, it's very skillfully you will have to handle, right? Now, once this is ready, if you want to make any edit or if you want to move the title or if you want to move the captions, first you will have to tap on the icon of text at the bottom. Otherwise, you will not be allowed to move it. So only if I tap on this text, then only I can move this, the captions, the title, wherever I want to. And once I'm done, I have to always tap on tick mark. Once you are done and once you're happy with the video, you will have to ensure that your reel is not more than 1.5 minutes, 90 seconds, because 90 seconds is the limit of the Instagram reel. So anything beyond that, it will be omitted by Instagram. Okay. So there is a feature here wherein we can cut the portion of the video which we don't want. Okay. But that is more of an advanced thing to do. I would first like you all to explore whatever has been told now. And once you are comfortable in this, then I'll teach you how to cut some portion of the videos, right? Till then, what you can do is you can just select short videos or you can select those videos where the first 90 minutes is enough for you to create a reel. Now, here at the bottom, you will see there is one more option called as PIP. राइट सो बिसाइड्स टेक्स्ट देयर इज इफेक्ट इफेक्ट के बाजू में फिल्टर फिल्टर के बाजू में पीआईपी करके पीआईपी इज पिक्चर इन पिक्चर so usually I use this to upload logo our logo bwg logo so once I tap on it I go to photo and in here I usually upload the logo okay so I'll have to search for logo right now but just to yeah here it is okay so here is my logo I'll just make it small by pinching it I'll just place it somewhere where I'm happy to place. And again, you'll see at the bottom, the logo is only available for 5 seconds. You can see at the bottom. So I'll have to drag it till the end because I want the logo to appear till the end of the video. So again, I'll just drag the logo till the end. Okay, till here, right? I'll just take the logo a little up. Yeah.
Yeah. And the family was so big, then you had to attend to everybody.
Now I'll tap on tick mark. I'm happy with this. Now, once you're done, once you're happy with the video, on the top right, you will see there is an icon. That is the export icon, besides question mark icon. You tap on the question mark icon, and here you will get the resolution option. Resolution, usually I go for 4K. That's the best resolution available. But even 1080 pixels is also good. So whatever you are comfortable with. Frame rate, usually I go with 60 FPS, 60 frames per second. 30 frame per second is also decent. Format, you'll have to select MP4 because that's what is allowed by Instagram. Once you've selected all this, just tap on save. Once you tap on save, the InShot app will export your reel and will automatically save it in your photo gallery, mobile photo gallery. So once this is happening, just make sure you're on the same screen. You don't browse somewhere else. Just allow it to happen. And once it's done, it will tell you that it's been saved in the photo gallery. Saved, it says. Yes. Now you just go to Instagram. You just tap on the plus icon. You select the reel option. And you just choose the first one. That is the only one. Choose next.
We have become too self centered. We care less for others.
There you go. Your Instagram reel is ready in no time. Okay. Now, InShot app has a pro version as well as a basic free version. So in basic free version, what happens is there's a watermark of InShot which comes, which is still okay. It's at the bottom right. It's fine. Not a big deal. You can still upload it. It's fine. Okay. And there are tools to even crop the video while uploading on Instagram. So you can make use of that to cut the logo also, depending on what you want. Now, an important thing while uploading reel is once you tap on next, okay. Now, though your video has audio, but it's very important if you want your videos to trend, you should add some trending music to it. Otherwise, Instagram doesn't boost your video. Okay. So what you do is you tap on the music icon, and here you'll see there are few audio which has got an arrow mark to it, like the Radha Krishna flute theme music, Mere Mehboob, Ibadate, Toba Toba. These have an arrow mark to it. Arrow means these are trending musics. So just choose anyone. For example, I choose Toba Toba. Okay. Now someone will say the Toba Toba in Gurudev's music video. Oh my God, what's happening? But we can still use it. I'll show you how. So just choose the portion and say done. Now here, once we have added the music, you just go to edit video. In edit video at the bottom, just go to volume. Now here, most important critical thing, we'll do the camera audio 100% and we'll do the added music audio 1%. Don't make it 0, just 1%. So now what we're doing is we are fooling Instagram, saying that we are actually using your trending audio, but we are not. We are simply using our own original audio. Just say done and say next. And this is how it
We have become too self centered.
will look like.
We care less for others. We care for only ourselves. And we want to get what we can out of marriage instead of seeing it as a sacred institution.
And yeah, that's all it is. And we are done with the session. Okay. Now I would like to know any questions if you have. So you guys can unmute.
Hey, Gurudev.
Say Guru.
Yeah, if it is like some other language, then how can we?
Other language, then you can't do really anything. What you can do perhaps is you can generate captions, but you'll have to choose that portion of the text and then you'll have to edit manually. Okay, but that will be a cumbersome task. I'll have to check if we have any regional uh, app or not.
Yeah, because simultaneously we have to like the language will be different and the subtitles will be in English or Hindi or something.
Yes, yes. For Telugu, especially, yes, I agree. So what we can do here is, I'll just show you again. You can try this, okay? I don't know if it will work or not. So once you go in InShot and once you go in your video and once you generate captions, wherever it has generated text, you just tap on it and you tap on edit. And here you can change to whatever you want. So with this, what will happen is at least you don't have to place, you don't have to think about where to place the captions. The app will do it for you. But yeah, the typing thing you have to do. Yeah, that help perhaps the app might give you. Yes, any more questions?
This downloading part also we can do it on the mobile also. No?
Yeah, you can do it. The YouTube video downloading, right?
Yeah.
Yes. On Android app, you can do it. Yes. On iPhone, it becomes a little difficult to download.
Okay.
Yes. Any more questions? I think
Because I usually use Snapchat for download.
I don't use Snapchat, so I have no idea about it.
Sorry, Snaptip.
I don't know.
Snaptip.
I don't know. I don't know that app. Whatever that helps you download the YouTube video, it's fine. Anything that is running, it's working for you. It's okay. For me, this web page works very well. SaveNet. So I think most of you joined a little late, so you can watch the recording later. All right, and we have a session now at 7 o'clock. So those who want to join, you can join. My sister gave me that link, and that influencer will be teaching about how to create trending reels and a lot more about Instagram. So if you feel that you are able to understand whatever is saying, you can continue watching. And if you don't feel if you feel like it's a too of an advanced thing, then you can just leave the session. Yeah. But just ensure that you join quickly because there will be a lot of people who will be joining. All right. So I'll just stop the recording here.